In last 20 years, WELLCAMP delivered 10 million square meter labor camps, served more than 5 million people.
Our extensive experiences and commitment to quality has proven us a trusted brand again and again.
In the first 10 years, WELLCAMP focused on providing prefab camp by K-House and T-House for 48 countries.
Today, our products are deployed in 6 continents, almost 90 countries.
How we do it? Average 15 years experience team and exploring technical limits. WELLCAMP is a constant self-upgrade. We have developed 2 self-owned technology and 5 unique product lines that let us lead innovation and efficiency into camp solutions.
Everyone in WELLCAMP is an owner, therefore we are faster in miles.
We invented the expandable camp house series. We can save 90% installation time compared to market products.
The living area is 20% larger than the other market products or more, 30% less the price than the other existing models or lower.
Even in industry setting, WELLCAMP grew 25% during low times and 60% if compared to others in the same period.
As the company grows, so do our people.
Fast production, fast installation, fast delivery. We offer camps for customers with unrivaled speed and efficiencies.
Our commitment to innovation, quality, and customer satisfaction makes us a leading provider of integrated camp solutions.
Choose WELLCAMP, choose fast, advanced, and better.